this plowing will be done with the help of a plow. So this is done by the using a plow, and plows are made of wood or iron. So this tool will be made by the wood or it may be a iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before the plowing. The plowed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಾವು ಬಿಗ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಹೆಂಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ method we have to break down the crumbs with the help of an plank. And why we can break down the crumbs means because it will be helps to the irrigation in a equal manner. So why we have to break the crumbs? Because that will distribute the water in a equal manner. If in cases we do not break down the crumbs means so that the irrigation or water does not, that will be distributed to the plants in a equal manner. So that's why we have to break down the crumbs. And also you just look at the diagram of this, the tool like a plow. It will be made by the wooden or it may be a iron. So this is the plow. So here also they have given, so that is the iron plows. These pictures will be indicating as a tool like a plow. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break the soil to the size of the grains to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. The main tool used for this purpose are the plow, hoe and cultivator. So here plow is also one of the tool that will be tilling the lands, and that will become a very big pieces like a crumbs, and that crumbs will be breaks down before we are going to sow. Why we have to breaks down the crumbs means because equal distribution of water. So and with the help of an hoe and cultivator we just level or breaks down the crumbs here. And then plow is being used since ancient times for tilling the soil, adding fertilizer to the crop, removing the weeds, scraping of the soil, etc. Here why we have to use the tool of an plow here means so for the tilling the soil and adding the fertilizer and also removing the weeds into the soil. So what is the meaning of an weeds? So weeds is nothing but the unwanted crop or unwanted plants that will be grown in the middle of the main crop. So I will once again repeat that one. What is the meaning of an weeds means so unwanted plants or it may be unwanted crop that will be grown in the middle of the main crop, that is called as weeds. So here also the tool plow is used for from the ancient period. Also they have to be adding the fertilizer and also removing the seeds and also tilling the lands. They have to be use this tool. And also it contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. So plowshare is having the triangle strip. The main part of the plow is a long log of wood which is called a plow shaft. So plow shaft it is also having the long and log of wood. So there is a handle at one end of the shaft. So at one end of the shaft is having the handle. So you just look at this picture. So this is the plow shaft, and that is one end is having the handle. So this is the handle. Have you understood, no children? So next one is